Welcome aboard, folks. Fasten your seat belts. No smoking. Just sit back and leave the driving to me.
Whoa! Lunchbud, is this a stunt you learned in flight school?
Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. You've been a wonderful audience.
Chicken? Chicken! Oh, yes, there's a chicken. I say there's a chicken for you.
I thought I saw a pussycat.
Hi there.
If I had actually been near a cat, I'd be sneezing my brains out. See, I'm allergic to cats. Excuse me, pardon me.
Meep, meep.
I've got a lovely bunch of coconuts, dee-dee-dee-dee. There they are, standing in a row.
Backward, forward, upward, inward, bottom to the top. But never a beginning, there can never be a stop.
Long, slow, smooth.
Like making the board.
There you go.
The emperor penguin is technically a bird, although one that makes his home in the sea.
Sorry. Wait, I live this way.
Pretty bird. Yeah, can you say pretty bird? Pretty bird.
Hey, Flaps, what we gonna do?
I don't know. What do you want to do?
I've got it. Let's flap over the east side of the jungle. They've always got a bit of action, a bit of a swinging scene, all right?
So what's your plan for getting in? All right, you got the easy part. Yeah, what? I'm going to use my incredibly toned pecs and buttocks to throw you over the wall. Go!
Okay, don't make any sudden moves. Hop inside my mouth if you want to live.
Hop in your mouth, huh? And how does that make me live?
Mine?
That's it. No more Mr. Nice Duck.
I guess this means we put our differences on ice?
Hit the bricks, ugly.
Oh, that's cute. What, do you train the bird to insult your customers?
No, I can tell you're ugly all by myself. What did Polly say to me?
I said, Polly wants your mama's sweet ass.
You don't be talking about my mama, son.
You're despicable and impeccable and you're very definitely despicable.
Give the people what they want. Some good old-fashioned apocalyptic porn.
You are my last hope. Circle far and wide.
Go, Mordecai.
Dad! Look! They're really flying with me!
Woo!
There's a big surprise! That's an incredible... I think I'm gonna have a heart attack and die from that surprise! What are we gonna do? We got a big problem here, a big...
Hey, buddy, wanna pick some snowberries?
Not now, Arctic Puffin!
Huh? How'd you get over there?
Over where?
There.
Where?
There. How'd you get over there?
Who are we talking about?
See, just a little twirl here and I yank down, boy, oh, like.
Never say never. Say never, say never, whatever you do.
Guess who?
Well, I say now, someone has pasted Piglet on my window. Well, well, who to?
Why have you come?
I found the snipe!
Oh, did you?
Are they tall?
Oh, yes, they're very tall.
Do they have a lot of colors?
They do indeed.
Do they like chocolate?
Oh, yeah. Chocolate.
It's a good little hawk. Nice bird.
Oh, incidentally, I'm Alan Adeo, a minstrel. Oh, that's an early day folk singer. And my job is to tell it like it is.
I think I feel a song coming on!
You've got a friend in me. You've got a friend in me.
Say I'm a bird.
No. Don't do it.
Say I'm a bird.
Stop it. Stop it now.
Say it!
You're a bird.